Today we are going to create this beautiful scrolling text animation in CapCut PC. First open your CapCut and navigate to the text tab. Click on default text and set the text duration as needed. In this tutorial, I will use 3 seconds for the text duration. Then type the text you want to display in the scrolling animation. I will use the years from 2020 to 2030. Insert the text lines vertically one after the other by pressing the Enter key. Change your font family and size. Choose a bold font style and increase the font size to make the text more visible. I will use the CY steady font and increase the font size. Now drag the playhead to the beginning of the timeline and adjust your first text line in the center of the screen. You will need to carefully find the center as CapCut only provides a vertical guideline. Select the text, navigate to the Basic tab and add a positional keyframe. Next, drag the playhead to the end of the timeline and position your last text line in the center of the screen. You will see that another keyframe is added automatically. Again, you need to be careful here. The position of the first text line and this last text line must match each together, or you won't get the perfect result. Now when you play the video, you will see the text lines moving from bottom to the top. The next step is to animate these keyframes to create a better text movement. To do this, right-click on the video and select Show Keyframe Animation. Then select Y to adjust the animation vertically. Click on Show Keyframe Graphs in the right corner. Now right-click on a keyframe and select Graphs. You can then click on each graph and choose the most suitable animation for the text. I recommend using the Ease Out 1, 2 or 3 animations for the smooth movement. I will select Ease Out 3. Now close the graph window and adjust the selected graph as desired. After making adjustments, right-click on the text and select Create Compound Clip. Place the playhead at the beginning of the clip, select the clip and navigate to the Mask tab that is under the Video tab. Then select Rectangle Mask. Now crop out the first text line using the mask. Adjust the mask as you like. If you want to show more text lines in the animation, make the gap between the text and the mask bigger. If you want to focus on just one text line, keep a small space between the text and the mask. Now choose the feather option below the Mask tab and increase it to the value you want. To fix some positional issues, double-click on the clip. After selecting the clip, you can move the text to change its position. To go back to the mask, click on the compound clip here. Now you can see the text effect again. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial. If you learned something here, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking the videos and sharing them with your friends.